Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 3rd September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 18 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which state is planning to build India's first solar-powered expressway by 2026? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is set to create India's first solar-powered expressway, aiming for completion by 2026. The state government plans to establish solar parks along the 296 km Bundelkhand Expressway, generating between 450 to 550 megawatts of clean energy. This initiative is part of Uttar Pradesh's broader goal to generate 22,000 megawatts of solar power by 2026 to 27. Question number 2. Which football club has won the 133rd Durand Cup 2024 title? Answer is Northeast United. Guwahati-based Northeast United Football Club won its first Durand Cup title, defeating the defending champion Mohan Bagan Super Giant in a penalty shootout in the final. The 133rd edition of the Durand Cup was held in Kolkata, in West Bengal, Kokrajhar, in Assam, Jamshedpur, in Jharkhand, and Shillong, in Meghalaya, from 27 July to 31 August 2024. The Northeast United Football Club, owned by Bollywood actor John Abraham. Question number 3. Who has become third Indian to hit 6 sixes in an over? Answer is Priyansh Arya. Priyansh Arya etched his name in the record books by smashing 6 sixes in an over in the Delhi Premier League 2024. He made history by becoming the third Indian, after Ravi Shastri and Yuvraj Singh, to hit 6 sixes in an over. Representing South Delhi Superstars, Arya achieved the rare feat of hitting 6 sixes in a single over during a match against North Delhi strikers. Question number 4. Who has become the first Indian athlete to win 2 medals in the same Paralympics? Answer is Preeti Pal. Preeti Pal made history as the first Indian woman to win 2 track and field medals at the Paralympics, earning bronzes in the 100-meter and 200-meter T35 events. Also, Avni Lekhra, a 22-year-old Indian athlete, made history by becoming the first Indian woman to secure 2 Paralympic gold medals. Question number 5. Who has got the 22nd Navratna CPSE status? Answer is RailTel. Department of Public Enterprises, under the Ministry of Finance, has granted Navratna status to 4 central public sector enterprises. With this, the number of Navratna CPSEs has increased to 25 from 21. New Delhi-based RailTel upgraded as 22nd Navratna CPSE. New Delhi-based SECI Limited upgraded as 23rd Navratna CPSE. Faridabad-based NHPC upgraded as 24th Navratna CPSE. Shimla-based Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited SJVN upgraded as the 25th Navratna CPSE. Question number 6. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of Central Depository Services Limited, CDSL? Answer is Nehal Vora. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has approved the reappointment of Nehal Vora as the Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of the Central Depository Services Limited, CDSL. He was appointed as MD and CEO of CDSL in September 2019 for a 5-year term till 17 September 2024. Nehal Vora started his career with SEBI in 1996. Question number 7. Who takes over as the Director General of Project Seabird? Answer is Rajesh Dhankar. Vice Admiral Rajesh Dhankar took over as the Director General (DG) of Project Seabird. He takes over the charge from Vice Admiral Tarun Sopti. Project Seabird is India's largest defense infrastructure project, aiming at enhancing naval capabilities at an important base in Karnataka. Question number 8. Who has unveiled the special coin on the 75th Foundation Day of the Supreme Court of India? Answer is Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the National Conference of District Judiciary in New Delhi on 31st August, marking the 75th anniversary of the Supreme Court of India. During the ceremony, PM Modi unveiled a special stamp and coin commemorating this milestone. The stamp honors the Supreme Court's pivotal role in India's judicial system, established on 28 January 1950. Question number 9. Who has taken charge as Deputy Chief of the Indian Air Force? Answer is Tejinder Singh. Air Marshal Tejinder Singh on 1st September took over as Deputy Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force. He has replaced Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit, who has been appointed as new Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Central Air Command. Air Marshal Tejinder Singh is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy and was commissioned on 13 June 1987 in the fighter stream of the Indian Air Force. Question number 10. Ramon Magsaysay Award was announced to Dr. Nguyen Phung of which country? Answer is Vietnam. The Ramon Magsaysay Awards Foundation has unveiled the 5 distinguished recipients of this year's prestigious awards, widely regarded as Asia's equivalent of the Nobel Prize. Dr. Nguyen Thi Ngoc Phong from Vietnam, a physician and advocate for Agent Orange victims, is recognized for her unwavering dedication to public health and her courageous efforts to seek justice for the victims of Agent Orange, a toxic chemical used during the Vietnam War. Question number 11. Which has become India's 5th largest export sector? Answer is electronics. Electronics has become India's 5th largest export sector, growing by 23% annually. Electronics manufacturing in India has crossed $100 billion market in March 2024, which was $49 billion in 2017. Petroleum products are India's largest export sector, accounting for over 14% of the country's total export value. India's second largest export sector is services trade. Question number 12. In India, National Nutrition Week is celebrated every year on. Answer is September 1st to 7th. National Nutrition Week is celebrated each year from 1st to 7th September to aware the people about important tips of their health and well-being. The theme for National Nutrition Week 2024 is Nutritious Diets for Everyone. In India, National Nutrition Week was first celebrated in 1982, introduced by the central government to address malnutrition and promote balanced diets. Question number 13. Dharmendra Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of which Union Territory? Answer is Delhi. IAS officer Dharmendra Kumar took charge as the Chief Secretary of Delhi. He succeeds Naresh Kumar, who was granted 2 extensions, one for 6 months and another for 3 months, after his due retirement on 30th November 2023. Dharmendra Kumar was previously served as the Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 14. How many medals has Team India won in the 17th International Astronomy Olympiad? Answer is 5. Team India delivered a commendable performance at the 17th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, from 17 to 25 August 2024. The five-member team from India won 1 gold and 4 silver medals in the prestigious competition. In the overall medal tally, India ranked 8th, trailing behind countries such as Iran, which topped the chart with 5 gold medals, followed by the USA with 3 golds. Question number 15. India Post Payments Bank is marked its foundation day every year on. Answer is 2nd September. India Post Payments Bank proudly marked its 7th foundation day on 2nd September 2024. India Post Payments Bank was established in 2018 under the Department of Posts of the Ministry of Communication, with 100% ownership by the Government of India. It aims to provide efficient banking services to every household in India, enhancing financial security and empowerment. Question number 16. Recently, where was the 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maah launched? Answer is Gandhinagar. The 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maah began from 1st September at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar in Gujarat, focusing on nutrition awareness and well-being. The day started with a nationwide tree planting drive called Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, promoting nutrition and environmental sustainability. Union Minister Annapurna Devi outlined Poshan 2.0's pillars. Those pillars are good governance, convergence, capacity building, and community participation. Question number 17. Who has assumed the charge as Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Central Air Command? Answer is Ashutosh Dikshit. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit assumed the appointment of Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of Central Air Command on 1st September. He has assumed the role of Central Air Command Chief at Prayagraj, succeeding Air Marshal Tejinder Singh, who is now the Deputy Chief of Air Staff in New Delhi. Ashutosh Dikshit was commissioned into the fighter stream of Indian Air Force on 6 December 1986. Question number 18. Recently, who has been awarded with Olympic Order in Gold? Answer is Emmanuel Macron. The President of France, Emmanuel Macron, was presented with the Olympic Order in Gold by International Olympic Committee, IOC President Thomas Bach, at an official ceremony held at the Élysée Palace in Paris. When Emmanuel Macron was elected President of France in 2017, he immediately threw his full support behind Paris' bid to host the 2024 Olympic Games. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.